doing our experiment today on, it's called elephant toothpaste. So for our materials, we use dish soap, just a random amount, and it creates the bubbles. We also use 30% hydrogen peroxide, which you can't get at the store, it's much stronger. We also use potassium iodide, which is the catalyst, so it will speed up the reaction. We also use deionized distilled water. That's what we're going to dissolve the catalyst in, and the flank, as well as some food coloring. So first we're going to make a saturated solution of potassium iodide, and we're going to wait for the potassium iodide to dissolve, or you can shake it to speed up the reaction, speed it up.
Which we already did.
Yep. And then we're going to take the hydrogen peroxide, a random amount of that, and we're going to pour it into the flank. And then we're going to add a little bit of dish soap and swirl it around. Then we're going to take the saturated solution of potassium iodide and pour it in the flank, and you will see what happens. Okay, need our glasses. Don't forget that in your gloves.
Yeah, if it gets on us, it could bleach us.
Are you doing the pouring? You go ahead. I just don't know. These are our handy dandy glasses. Matt made us wear them.
Okay. So half of this goes into a flask. A little bit more.
About as much as you would put into a sink of dishes.
How much? I don't do dishes.
That's about enough. Okay.
Now, how much of this should we put in?
That's right. Sorry, we forgot the food coloring.